Welcome back to Limitless Mentality, where we discuss profound psychological truths to help you improve your life. In today's video, we're diving into 12 thought-provoking ideas that will shift your entire perspective. These aren't just random quotes or motivational cliches. They're powerful realizations that can completely change the way you see yourself, other people, and the world around you. If you're feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or just curious about how to think differently, this video is going to challenge everything you thought you knew. Number 1. Most people don't see you. They see their version of you. The way people treat you often has more to do with their past experiences, insecurities, and assumptions than anything about you. That means their judgment, approval, or rejection isn't really about your worth. It's about how they interpret you through their own lens. When you stop living for other people's validation, you gain the freedom to define yourself on your own terms. People's opinions aren't the truth. They're reflections of their own perspective. Number 2. Confidence isn't about being loud. It's about being grounded. We often think confident people are the ones who speak the most or walk into a room with a big presence. But real confidence is quiet. It's the calm in your voice when you're not trying to prove anything. It's saying no without guilt. It's knowing your value even when no one is watching. When you stop trying to look confident and start working on trusting yourself, everything changes. Number 3. Growth feels like loss because you're leaving behind what you outgrew. Most people resist growth because it feels uncomfortable. But here's the thing. Every time you level up, you have to let go of the version of you that no longer fits. That might include friendships, habits, beliefs, or even dreams that no longer align with who you're becoming. So if it feels like something is falling apart, it might actually be falling into place. Number 4. Being busy isn't the same as being fulfilled. We glorify hustle culture like it's the highest form of ambition. But filling every second of your day doesn't mean you're living a meaningful life. Sometimes, being productive is just a distraction from what you're avoiding. Ask yourself, not what did I do today, but what did I experience? What did I feel? What did I create that mattered? Real fulfillment isn't about how much you do. It's about how deeply you live. Number 5. You're not lazy. You're just uninspired. If you've ever called yourself lazy, there's a good chance you're actually overwhelmed, burned out, or disconnected from what excites you. People don't thrive on discipline alone. They thrive on purpose. When you find something that lights you up, energy shows up too. Stop shaming yourself for not doing enough and start exploring what actually moves you. Number 6. Your future depends on the story you're telling yourself today. Most of us don't realize how much our self-talk shapes our reality. If you keep telling yourself you're not good enough or that you always mess things up, you'll start living that story out, even when it's not true. But if you shift the narrative to, I'm still learning, or I'm growing into this, suddenly, your future feels possible again. Your thoughts are the foundation of your future. Choose them carefully. Number 7. If you never feel uncomfortable, you're probably not evolving. We naturally avoid discomfort because it feels like something is wrong. But discomfort is actually a sign you're expanding. Whether it's starting something new, setting boundaries, or healing old wounds, it's not supposed to feel easy. The goal isn't to avoid discomfort. It's to move through it with awareness. Growth lives on the other side of, "This feels scary, but right." Number 8. Most problems are emotional, not logical. You might know what to do logically. End the relationship, apply for the job, let go of the past, but still not do it. Why? Because your emotions are holding on. Fear, guilt, and shame are powerful blockers. Until you address the emotional root of a problem, logic won't move you forward. Healing isn't about more information. It's about feeling what you've been avoiding. Number 9. You don't need more time. You need more clarity. People often say they do something if they just had more time. But time isn't always the issue. Clarity is. When you're clear on what matters, you stop wasting energy on what doesn't. You stop second-guessing. You move with intention. The moment you stop trying to do everything and start focusing on the right things, you realize you had the time all along. Number 10. Not everything that feels urgent is important. The world loves to scream for your attention. Notifications, deadlines, opinions, and expectations, all demanding an immediate response. But just because something feels urgent doesn't mean it's meaningful. Learning to pause, reflect, and choose where to focus your energy is a superpower. It's how you reclaim your peace and make room for what truly matters. Number 11. Success without self-respect is just a prettier prison. You can have the money, the title, and the recognition, and still feel empty. Because if you had to betray yourself to get there, it won't feel like success at all. Real success is when your outer life matches your inner values. It's when you can look in the mirror and be proud of how you got there. Don't trade your integrity for achievement. It's never worth it. Number 12. Healing isn't about going back to who you were. It's becoming who you were meant to be. A lot of people think healing means returning to some old version of themselves. But true healing isn't about going backward. It's about integrating what you've been through and using it to evolve into someone wiser, softer, and stronger. The goal isn't to undo the pain. It's to grow through it. You're not broken. You're becoming. The way you see the world shapes every decision you make, every emotion you feel, and every goal you chase. When your perspective shifts, your entire life can start to move in a new direction. These ideas aren't just meant to sound deep. They're invitations to wake up, question your assumptions, and begin thinking in a way that actually serves your growth. Which one of these 12 ideas challenged you the most today? And how do you think it could change the way you live your life from now on? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what spoke to you. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more eye-opening insights. Until next time, keep striving, keep growing, and stay limitless.